package. So let's see what's in it. These are little winglets for my side rocker panels. Okay, this one goes on the passenger side, and the other one's on the driver's side. This little cosmetic thing, I'm going to put it on right now, so let's do it. As you can see, it's a little winglet that bolts onto the back of your rocker panel, right here. I just have to drill about 3 holes, and then screw it up under that plastic rocker panel right here. But I have to jack the car up first. So let's get to jacking it up. Okay, I drilled 3 holes after I measured. 3 holes. I'm going to use those self-tapping screws right there to screw it right under the bottom right here. And it should be on after that. Simple as that. Let's get to doing it. And after you screw it in, just 3 screws, there you go. I'm going to drop it down off the jack and see what it looks like on the ground. And here you go. Across here. And a little winglet right there. Looks almost factory. Now let's get to the other side. Then 15 minutes. It's done. Just enough to spruce up the look a little bit without going full ricer. Not bad at all. Until next video.